Alright, third time I've rebooted and suddenly was greeted with Nemesis Conky. So yeah, Conky Lua Archers does work, simple test. And then the Ctrl-T test, -B. What are we using? We're using the driver of nvidia 340, so that was mentioned online that we needed to have the 390 for this thing, but we could do the test, but if it works, it works. So I would suggest never change a winning theme and just let it be. So nvidia, this is the test, right? And maybe you've noticed that this icon is not normal. Let's do that first. It's included in the video. Go for the button, fix hard-coded icons. Those developers, right? They hard code a icon. Go get the PNG or SVG and that should not be done. They should not do it, but they do it. Now it's fixed. NVIDIA settings. So saying detest if your NVIDIA is working or not is launching that thing. If you can't make a connection to the NVIDIA server, you get some kind of error or something, right? But now everything is cool. We can have a play with all the settings and off you go. That's the end for me. Well, I could go on and go on and go on, but the only things I could do is go to the bin, stay rolling, and have a look at all these things that are in here, because we started somewhere here, and run this, run that, run this, run that. So basically we have just an up-to-date system. If you like this cursor and not the Bibata cursor, so be it, right? So what can be done by you is check it out, see what's in there without running it, read it. It's okay. So qubit torrent. Okay, what do I have now? Torrent, qubit torrent. It's already there, and we've removed transmission at some point in time, and voila. But do we want that? That's Linux, right? It's a freedom of choice. What do I do? And these folders are there to follow the ISOs. Every ISO we release, we had some problems with redshifts at some point in time, and we said later on, a month later, we said let's get rid of it because it gives us problems. And Platinum Searcher bin is great as tool to. Somebody asked me, what is this PT? You always type PT, the command PT, and then Eric or something, and you can type what should I type? GTK. No. So inside this particular folder is going to look for files. Does any of these files contain a certain word? And that's PT. That's coming from here. But it's entirely up to you what Lego blocks basically you use and remove as well. Alright? It's a choice. Alright guys, have fun. Another tutorial and also NVIDIA tutorial. I'll see if I'll do a 390, but I think I have other work to do, so I'll leave it at this. And we're rolling now. Ooh, yeah. So no numbers anymore. You see, this machine has a lot of, dual core, right? He's doing a lot of work just with the simple screen recorder already on. All right, I'm going to give it the rest. Cheers.